Ahoy hoy. Happy 9th of July. Bob's just up, a little bit after 8 a.m. I'm just outside of Split Rock Dam. There is a caravan park and camping ground down this road. About 19 kilometres or so. I've only done 20 for the morning. Pretty big milestone. I've just hit 660 miles. What are we for kilometres? 1,062.3. Or it'll be closer to 659, I suppose. For those that have been following, I've had horrendous winds and blah, 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 blah. I was just having a break here and a guy pulled over and having a chat. And he said, you know, Horton takes a fall. And I went, what, Dr. Seuss? And he goes, no. He said, up at Barabba, which is where I was going to go 2 days ago. He said, chuck a left and you'll go, it's about 40 kilometres. He said there's a waterfall there called Horton's Fall, and it's like a vertical drop. So tomorrow I've just received a gale wind warning and sheep graziers alert, which is never good. So I think I'm going to go and hide in the bush. It's going to come from the northwest, so I'll find something facing southeast and see if I can just bunk in there for a couple of days. There'll be no reception. Hope to catch up with you all then, and I'll hopefully take some great wildlife shots and waterfall shots. Peace, love and harmony, guys. Uru. Oh yeah, I had a great sleep. Peace out. Ooh. One day I'm going to be too old to do this. Today is not that day. Yeah.